You imagine 13, 20, 15, 10 in a space of 1 week. And yet, government is not really concerned. You see, there will always be pockets of individuals that would want to be deviant, to want to do things that are not in norm and conformity with the society. But it is the responsibility of government, the state actors, to put them in check. And putting them in check requires that political will to say, even if it's something that has to do with my own son, my own wife, my own husband, my own father, my own mother or uncle, if that person is culpable, let it go the right way according to the judicial system. But when we now have to protect criminals because we now come with the idea of your people are killing my people, when you're supposed to go all out, launch attack, launch offensive against these non-state actors, you are just trying to protect them because you have that emotional attachment to such people. You are only encouraging these people to multiply.
When
to
you
begin
talk
to
about
fester.
emotional attachment, are you talking about on the path of the federal government or the security agencies who are meant to protect the citizens against these kinds of attack?
If somebody was in government or even out of government but was once in government at the highest level, and then suddenly some group of people are killing others, and when government wants to go against them just for political capital, just for political reasons, you are defending them and saying, no, an attack on Boko Haram is an attack on our people.